And on this Abu Dhabi Center controversy, NTA, the National Testing Agency, has issued a statement. In fact, according to NTA, the web activity records are indicating that the city change in this case was made through candidates' own registered login during the open correction window with a consistent single user access pattern. And despite the Abu Dhabi Center being chosen by the candidate, the NTA received an informal request on 19th of June to change the center to Nagpur. NTA personnel immediately initiated the change and contacted the candidate's father on 19th itself to help them complete the formal process. Let's go across to my colleague Shefali, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Shefali, it's interesting because there are two versions here. We just heard the father who said that we never selected Abu Dhabi as the center. But in the statement that has been issued by NTA, the point being made is that it was the candidate who chose Abu Dhabi as an option.
Right. When we spoke to NTA DG also earlier this morning, he did say that there could be some security issues as well if the password is not secured. That is why two-step verification password is required. And sometimes when your password is just random 129 numbers, then any of the friend or anyone could just get into the system and do the mishap. So this was what NTA DG was indicating while there was, he also said that investigation will be done, but meanwhile the investigation is done, we will allot the choice of preference that this candidate is opting for. But now what is happening is NTA has issued a statement while earlier we were seeing that NTA was being targeted about the technical glitch was pointing out. But now NTA has said that during the investigation it is learned that during the open correction window, the candidate's credentials were used and Abu Dhabi was chosen for the center on the first attempt, and while on three occasions it happened. For two occasions it also they also previewed it.
All right. Thank you, Shefali, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. With this, we will slip into another very, very short break. Coming back with lots more. Stay